Right, this is Neptune. Those are the orbits for the satellites and Neptune, the planet. This is Larissa. I'm afraid this doesn't come out as well as I'd like it to have done. It's quite a small moon close to Neptune. Next one is Proteus, which is here. Proteus is a large moon, actually, that wasn't discovered until Voyager got there in 1989, which is a bit surprising. Okay, then you've got Triton. Triton is a very large moon indeed. It's probably very similar to Pluto, so it's quite interesting in that way. Those are the features on Triton. That's the other side of Triton. Voyager was only able to see one side of it when it flew past. It snows solid nitrogen in winter there. It's very cold. Winter lasts 80 years. Okay, now as you go out, you actually see a massive grey orbit here. That's Nereid, and you can see that the orbit is much closer to Neptune on one side than the other. Zooming into Nereid, there it is. I'm afraid it's got just a generic texture. I don't know what it actually looks like, neither does anyone else, because it's just got a vague smudge. This is a year, or rather one orbit of Nereid around Neptune, following Nereid. It takes 360 days to go round, and as you can see, it's now moving towards Neptune. That's the closest point, and now it's moving away, and the furthest point will be 180 days later in a minute, and now it's coming closer again. No, it's going further away, sorry. Now it's coming closer again. When it gets to the point where it was 360 days previously, I will switch to Neptune. You see there's a totally chaotic thing going on there because Neptune is obviously rotating as well, and it's rotating too fast for it to be very meaningful. So I'm afraid that bit is a bit of a mess. So that's what, you know, the purple moon should probably look like. Here's finally a view of Neptune.